The dumbbell single leg jackknife is an excellent exercise to target the lower abs. If you can complete 20 reps per leg of the single leg jackknife, adding resistance by holding a dumbbell is an advanced progression to make the exercise harder. To get started, lie down on your back with one leg bent, foot firmly planted into the floor with the other leg straight on the floor. Extend your arms over your head while holding a dumbbell with your hands at both ends to create a straight line with your body. Keeping your arms extended over your head, contract your abs, then explosively curl your upper torso up as you bring the extended leg up to come close to the dumbbell to create a letter V. When you rise up, keep your abs turned on by breathing out to feel a strong contraction. Think about coming up with force while keeping the movement under control. Control the eccentric portion by slowly reversing the movement as you lower your arms and legs back towards the floor without allowing them to rest. Immediately complete another rep and do as many reps as you can on one leg. After you finish all the reps with one leg, without taking a break, switch sides and repeat the same movement on the other leg. Subscribe to get a new exercise video every day.